Ready for some pure Italian horsepower? In this rare farming showdown, 4 Fiatagri 180-90 DTs and 1 Fiatagri 1880 combine forces to unleash 900 horsepower across one epic field. These vintage legends aren't just performing, they're proving why old-school engineering still packs a punch. With deep, plowing power and unbeatable traction, they tear through heavy soil like it's soft butter. It's not just farming, it's a living tribute to La Grande Moisson, with more dust, more roar, and way more attitude. The Challenger power is on its way. Meet the MT-865B and MT-765, two track beasts built for one job: intellectual traction. With a staggering combined output of 840 horsepower, these machines can grind through pizza dough heavy clay in ultra-po pavese. The MT-865B alone can produce 534 horsepower from its 18.1-liter Cat engine, digging 45 centimeters deep with 5 bars. And the MT-765? This is the fast brother, with 306 horsepower, a 7-meter turning circle, and a dangerous attitude. Boring tractor? Not this monster. Meet the Claas Xerion 5000, a 16-ton beast powered by a 524 horsepower Cat engine with a massive 12.5-liter displacement. This isn't just farming, it's agricultural technology on steroids. With a CVT, 6 hydraulic valves, and the power to lift 8.4 tons like nothing, this machine turns tough fields into playgrounds. And check it out. The rotating cab and smart Cebus touchscreen system make you feel more like you're piloting a spaceship than a tractor. You want comfort, power, and brains in one? Boom. You're looking at it. You like tractors with attitude? Hit the like button, drop one comment, and subscribe for more agricultural technology power. Think spreading compost is boring? Not with this beauty. The New Holland T7.270 Blue Power, packing 270 horsepower, teams up with a Tebby spreader to toss compost like a champ, evenly, efficiently, and up to 24 meters wide. It's not just clean fields, it's precision farming with serious style. Love machines that make farming smarter and cooler? Smash that like button, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next video with even more awesome agriculture tech. Livestock farming relies on powerful machinery to boost efficiency. Titan's machines mean business. They chop, fertilize, and spread semi-solid manure, compost, and waste at high speed with amazing precision. Built with serious stability and ground clearance, they roll through rough terrain like it's a walk in the park. Cutting grass with precision and power. The Krone EasyCut B950 Collect, with a 9.45 meter width, ensures
Titan's machines
fuel-efficient
mean
mowing
business.
on steep
They
slopes
chop,
and soft ground.
fertilize, and spread semi-solid manure, compost, and waste at high speed with amazing precision. Built with serious stability and ground clearance, they roll through rough terrain like it's a walk in the park. Cutting grass with precision and power. The Krone EasyCut B950 Collect, with a 9.45 meter width,
Processing up to
ensures
14 hectares per
fuel-efficient
hour.
mowing on steep
This machine
slopes and
redefines
soft
efficiency.
ground.
Like and subscribe for more advanced farming technology. High-powered forage harvesters operate at top speed, ensuring nutrient-rich silage is packed efficiently for livestock feed. This blend of precision, power, and productivity keeps modern farming running at peak performance.
Processing up to 14 hectares per hour, this machine redefines efficiency. Like and subscribe for more advanced farming technology. High-powered forage harvesters operate at top speed, ensuring
Say hello to
nutrient-rich
the Hero
silage is
Krone
packed
heavy-duty
efficiently
feed
for livestock
harvester,
feed.
flexing between 687 and 1156 horsepower.
This blend of precision, power, and productivity keeps modern farming
This
running
isn't
at
just a
peak
machine.
performance.
It's a field-shredding beast. It cuts fast, runs smooth, and makes even the toughest farm jobs feel effortless. Can you believe it? The Tempo L air seeder is a legend. It set a world record in Hungary in 2017, planting 500 hectares of corn in 24 hours. Its
Say
speed
hello
and
to the
precision
Hero
had a
Krone
baby, it would
heavy-duty
be this
feed
machine.
harvester, flexing between 687 and 1156 horsepower.
The Seedhawk Precision Seeder takes accuracy to the next
This
level.
isn't just a
gets the
machine.
job done right.
It's a
What do you
field-shredding
think?
beast.
A game changer
It
in
cuts
farming
fast,
or just another
runs
machine?
smooth, and makes
Let us
even the
know.
toughest farm jobs feel effortless.
And if you love powerful agricultural technology, add a 0 in the comments for more surprise moments.
Can you believe it? The Tempo L air seeder is a legend. It set a world record in Hungary in 2017, planting 500 hectares of corn in 24 hours.
Meet the
If
Stone
speed and
Cyclone
precision
Plow,
had a baby,
developed
it would
and
be this
tested in
machine.
Finland. This rock-removing powerhouse collects stones up to 19.7 inches wide in a single pass.
The Seedhawk Precision Seeder takes accuracy to the next level. It gets the job done right. What do you think? A game changer in farming or just another machine? Let us know. And if you
With a
love
100
powerful
horsepower
agricultural
requirement,
technology,
it plows 3.9
add a
inches
0
deep while its
in the
integrated
comments
rotor
for more
tosses rocks
surprise
aside,
moments.
making land prep faster and easier than ever. Need to move a tree? No problem. The DEM transplanter handles root balls from 150 to 300 centimeters with ease.
Meet
Whether
the
it's
Stone
replanting or
Cyclone
clearing
Plow,
root clusters,
developed
this
and
machine
tested
gets
in
it done
Finland.
while you sit back and watch.
This rock-removing powerhouse collects stones up to 19.7 inches wide in a single pass. With a 100 horsepower requirement, it plows 3.9 inches deep while its integrated
Wow.
rotor tosses rocks
Wilson
aside,
Engineering
making
Supermove
land prep
10 paired
faster
with the
and
John
easier
Deere
than ever.
6910 delivers unmatched efficiency in hay handling.
Need to move a tree? No problem.
With
The
155
DEM transplanter
horsepower,
handles root balls from
this
150
powerhouse
to
moves
300
10
centimeters
round
with
bales
ease.
at once, slashing labor time and boosting
Whether it's
productivity.
replanting or clearing root clusters, this machine gets it done while you sit back and watch.
Built for speed and precision, it keeps farming operations running smoothly during the busiest seasons.
Wow.
The Fendt Vario
Wilson Engineering
936
Super
Black
Move
Beauty
10
leads the
paired
way,
with the John Deere
working alongside the Niemeyer rotary
6910
rig,
delivers
Freeman
unmatched
1592 square
efficiency
baler,
in
and
hay handling.
McHale 998 wrapper, all powered by a Dutz engine.
With 155 horsepower, this powerhouse moves 10
This system
round bales
rakes,
at once,
bales,
slashing
and
labor time
wraps
and
in one
boosting
seamless
productivity.
pass, saving time and maximizing productivity.
Built for speed and precision, it keeps
Baling with
farming
Pico baling
operations
twine
running
and
smoothly
silage
during the
stretch film
busiest seasons.
ensures top quality preservation. Like and subscribe for more cutting edge agricultural technology. See you in the
The
next
Fendt
video.
Vario 936 Black Beauty leads the way, working alongside the Niemeyer rotary rake, Freeman 1592 square baler, and McHale 998 wrapper, all powered by a Dutz engine. This system rakes, bales, and wraps in one seamless pass, saving time and maximizing productivity. Precision. Baling with Pipo baling twine and Fex silage stretch film ensures top quality preservation. Like and subscribe for more cutting-edge agricultural technology. See you in the next video.